Welcome to Skills and Learning. My name is Caroline and I want to talk today about my top tips for a good night's sleep. This is one of the pillars as good health, along with exercise and nutrition. Everything I'm going to talk about can be adjusted to suit our varying lifestyles and commitments. Our grandparents would have led physically more busy lives than we probably do now. I can remember my grandparents settling down by 9:30 in the evening with a mug of Ovaltine and then to bed, ready to start again at 6:30 in the morning. Our worlds have moved on and we have different challenges now. Unfortunately, many of us sleep less and less well. Sleep is as essential as eating and drinking. We need it to process the day subconsciously and repair the cells. Chronic lack of sleep can lead to disorders such as high blood pressure, depression and obesity. Good sleep improves our concentration and productivity. So let's look at this holistically, the whole picture around sleep with good habits and routines. How is your usual day? Can you get in at least 20-30 minutes of exercise? A walk at lunchtime? Can you go for a walk before you start work from home and then again after you have finished for the day? Do you eat regular meals and snacks if needed? Are they well balanced and colourful? Can you eat your last meal of the day 2 to 3 hours before bedtime? It has been suggested that your digestive system needs a while before bedtime to start working efficiently. These are the building blocks of having a happy body that can then start to settle to sleep. The next thing to consider is your bedroom. Is your room tidy? Is it painted with calming colours? Make sure the temperature in your room is around 16 degrees. This is perfect for encouraging the body and mind to relax. Is your mattress comfy and supportive? The same for your pillows. Is it time to replace them? Usually after 1 to 2 years is ideal. So my top tips for bedtime are: number 1, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, as near as possible. This stabilises your circadian rhythm and the regular release of melatonin triggers the brain for sleep. Number 2, avoid caffeine, nicotine and alcohol close to bedtime. These are known stimulants. Number 3, have a warm, not hot, bath before bedtime. Put some chamomile or lavender. Geranium is also a good essential oil into the bath. It smells wonderful and it encourages relaxation. Number 4, empty your room of electronics and TVs. They are too stimulating for settling down at night. If you have a digital alarm clock, can you turn the glow away from your face? But you still need to be able to hear it in the morning. Number 5, cut out daylight. Install blackout blinds or have lined curtains. As a last resort, drape a bed sheet over the curtain rail to help reduce the amount of light in the room. Now you're in bed. It's cool, calm, quiet and dark. Are you asleep? No. Here's some more tips to relax the body and to calm the mind. Any unwanted thoughts that may appear, accept them, visualise batting them away and then refocus on the relaxation task. Here's my suggestions. Number 1, check your jaw. Is it clenched and you haven't noticed? Gently release the muscles by keeping your teeth apart but your lips closed. Number 2, lie down on the bed on your back, legs straight out, arms by your side. Starting at your toes, slowly tighten all the muscles, working up your body to your head. Keep holding them tense and then quickly release. Breathe slowly a couple of times and see how you feel. Try a couple more times if you want to. Number 3, a breathing technique that I have heard used by the armed forces. It's called 4-7-8. Take an in-breath through your nose for the count of 4. Hold for the count of 7. And then release through your mouth with a whooshing sound for a count of 8. This is based on a yogic technique called pranayama. The ratio of timing is far more important than the times of breathing if you find that holding your breath for 7 counts is too long. Number 4, counting backwards in 3s from either 100, 101 or 102. This is challenging enough to keep your brain occupied, but boring enough to let it settle down and relax. Count a number with every slow breath in and out. You could also apply this to reciting the alphabet backwards with a letter, again, on every in and out breath. Number 5. In your head, you're lying in bed, you're relaxed. Visit your local supermarket shop and try to envisage every single item on the shelf on both sides of the aisles. Start at the fruit and veg, and I guarantee you will not get further than 2 aisles in. Again, it's a task that keeps your brain occupied, but it's not too taxing. And my last suggestion, number 6, have a notepad by your bed. Jot down any thoughts that come into your head, even if the lights are off. The act of writing transfers the thought out of your head and releases your brain for sleep. I really hope these suggestions prove useful. You don't have to do all of them, and you might find that you begin to have a favourite one that works quite well for you. But as with everything, if your sleep is being impacted and some of these suggestions are not helping, please consult your GP. Happy sleeping.